Hello everyone, it's me again and welcome to the day 2 of my 24th birthday series.
Roses, peachy, I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender.
In case you have missed out the previous video which I posted yesterday, the link is in my description box. You're welcome. Anyway, I know how much you guys love to see my self-portrait idea videos, so here I am back with another video of aesthetic, Pinterest, Instagram body, self-portrait ideas. Before starting with the video, let me tell you one thing here, which is the picture ideas which I am going to share in this video would also come under no face picture idea category. Like वो super aesthetic type के pictures नहीं होते हैं जिसमें face ठीक से visible नहीं होता है. Yes, I'm talking about those pictures. Okay, with saying all this, now let's get started with today's video. Alright, so for this picture idea, I am wearing this white dress. You guys have already seen this dress in my other Instagram post and other YouTube videos because I wore this dress too much. So I'm using this plain beige backdrop. आपके पास अगर backdrop नहीं भी है तो plain white wall या plain कोई भी wall के सामने आप खड़े हो जाओ, बस हो जाएगा काम. Just keep that in mind to match the color tones. Backdrop and dress की color tones similar होनी चाहिए. And you are also going to need धूप. As you can see, बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से aesthetically यहाँ से धूप आ रही है विंडो से. Also, the main thing you are going to need for this picture are flowers. Obviously, I will be using these sunflowers. Look at them, so pretty, no? And yeah, that's it. That's all you are going to need for this picture. So yeah, let's click the pictures now. And here are some pose ideas for you guys to try out. And these are all the results before and after editing. Just love the way it turned out after editing, guys. So I have mentioned it earlier probably like 1,000 times, but here I am mentioning this again because I know if someone new comes here, he or she definitely will ask questions about editing and stuff. So basically I use Lightroom to edit all my pictures, and for some pictures for correction and supposed to add things or to remove things, I use PixArt, or sometimes I also use Snapseed too. And if you want to know how I have edited these pictures which I am sharing in this video, do follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. I include editing tutorials as well when I post pictures. So yes, ये सब pictures भी मैं जब Instagram पे post करूँगी, I will also include the editing tutorial as well. That's the easiest way I feel like, because ऐसे YouTube पे हर एक pictures के editing tutorial अगर post करने लगूँ तो that would be really complicated and that's impossible, right? So yes guys, go follow me on my Instagram to know how I have edited these pictures. Okay, so I bought these two flowers for some other shoots and coincidentally ये colors बिल्कुल मेरे blouse के color से match करता है. So I thought these color combination would be the best to click these pictures. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you how to attach these flowers on your hair. I'm not a pro at this. I just did some jugaad. Let me show you what I did. I just used this U-pin. You have to put it like this within the flower. Like this. So इसे attach करने के लिए I will use this bobby pin. And just keeping my camera in a lower angle, and my background will be the sky, this beautiful sky. I clicked these pictures around 12 PM. The sun ray was directly coming at the camera. It was creating this nice flare, so that made the pictures even more beautiful. And these are all the results. Okay, so for this picture idea, again I will be using the same colored flowers which is matching with my blouse and it is contrasting with the background, so it would be a perfect combination. I have put some lipstick and some blush and also added these earrings, and now I'm gonna make a bun. You don't have to make a proper bun. I like my buns to be very messy and abhi main wahi karne wali hu, and I'm gonna leave the front hair just like this. And yeah, that's it. A very messy loose bun. Now I'm gonna put these flowers just like before. Like यहाँ पे मैंने ये U-pin attach कर दी है. So I'm gonna just put it like this. And yeah, I am ready for the next picture. So yeah, let's click the pictures. So यहाँ भी थोड़ी धूप आ रही थी विंडो से. It was creating a nice shadow as you can see, and the main focus of the picture are the messy bun and the flowers. So I tried to keep everything very minimal. And yeah guys, these are all the results. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये आइडिया बहुत ही सडन था. मेरा कोई प्लान भी नहीं था आज शूट करने का बिकॉज इट वॉज हेविली रेनिंग. लाइक 5 मिनट आगे भी बहुत जोर की बारिश हो रही थी, बट अभी धूप निकल रही है थोड़ी बहुत. एंड फॉर दिस पिक्चर आइडिया यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू नीड सम फ्लावर एंड अ बुक में भी. आई नो मैं फ्लावर्स सब पिक्चर्स के लिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट या अभी क्या कर ही सकते हैं. आई लव फ्लावर्स सो मच एंड फ्लावर के साथ लिटरली सब पिक्चर्स एस्थेटिक हो जाती है ऑटोमेटिकली. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना क्लिक द पिक्चर्स राइट नाउ. आई एम गोना स्टॉप टॉकिंग एंड या. सो दिस इज द सेटअप आई हैव क्रिएटेड फॉर द पिक्चर आइडिया एंड आई एम गोना क्लिक द पिक्चर from a higher angle. So here I have set up my tripod and I'm gonna lay it down right there and pose. And these are the final results. I have added the grass in PixArt and used Lightroom to edit it, in case you are wondering. Alright guys, let's click the next pictures, and for these pictures I will be wearing a sari again, and also I'm gonna paint my hand with the alta. If you don't know about alta, so it's a red dye. If you are a Bengali, I don't need to explain what alta is, but if you don't have alta, this is what you can use: a red paint like acrylic paint, or you can literally use any red color. Also I will be doing a bun, a messy bun again. So yeah, that's all about the pictures, and let's click the pictures now. So the main focus of the picture is my hand, I mean the alta, and that's why you can see I did all my poses with my hand only. And yeah, these are all the results. Okay, so for this picture idea, I am here again on my terrace, and can you see the moon? It's right here. I'm wearing this beautiful kurta set, and also I'm wearing this piece of jewelry. So this is going to be the focus, the main subject of this picture. So make sure you're wearing a statement jewelry. It can be anything: a neck piece, an earring, ring, etc. Like literally any piece of jewelry would work. And the background will be the sky. So yeah, let's click the pictures now. The whole vibe of the picture is giving me Eid vibes. I don't know why. Do you also feel like the same? Let me know in the comment section. And these are the results. This is how the pictures have turned out. I just love how the pictures have turned out super aesthetic. Now if you have watched my last vlog or you follow me on my Instagram, you already have seen these pictures, so you can ignore this one. But for those who haven't seen, first of all, go follow me on my Instagram because you are missing out a lot of things, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to get notifications whenever I post new videos. And yeah, these are the super aesthetic sky self-portraits. If you want to know how I have edited them, I have already posted these pictures on my Instagram along with the editing tutorial, so you know what to do now. This picture idea, I am wearing this fuchsia pink color dress and again taking the same color flowers, and now I'm gonna start taking the pictures. इसमें ऐसे कुछ बताने वाली special बात नहीं है. I'm gonna hide my face with the flowers. You can take the similar colored flowers or you can take contrasting flowers. Like suppose you are wearing fuchsia pink, you can take yellow or you can take white too. White भी इसके साथ बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, but मेरे पास ये color है सिर्फ, so yeah. And yeah guys, these are the final pictures. For today's video, I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos of my 24th birthday series. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated about my upcoming videos, because I will be posting a new video every single day till 11 September, which is my birthday. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle to stay more updated. I also post pictures and editing tutorials and so much more there. Comment down below and share this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.